Welcome to Affirm Faith Co. We're going to take a look at what you can use as a junk journal. And really, the possibilities are endless. You can use a composition notebook. You can use a spiral notebook. But I'm going to show you some fun things that I have either turned into junk journals or have in my stash to turn into junk journals. The first is a simple stitched notebook. And there's nothing in this notebook, but I can layer it, add all of my bits and bobs, and create a junk journal. In a previous video, I showed you that I like to use 3-ring binders and add lots and lots of junk to a junk journal. And these are awesome because you can find whatever paper you have, cut it to size, and just add your holes to add to your junk journal. In addition, you can use the Midori style or leather style folders. These already come bound and you can get as many inserts as you like. This one, I've not really added much to it. It's sort of new, but I have lots of plans to turn this into a junk journal as well. And with the elastic binding you can see here, you can add to it. So once you've filled up one book, you can add additional folio books to it as well. And this baby's going to get really nice and thick. All right. If you happen to have an old calendar book, or a book perhaps you've received and you don't plan on using it, this is just that. And it is full of plain pages. I use other things for notebooks and Bible studies. So I will use this as a junk journal and maybe turn this into a war binder. So you can see there's really endless ideas. So let's get a little creative here, shall we? I like to buy books on eBay in lots. So I bought a lot of board books. Children's board books. So this one is one of my kids' favorites. Are You My Mother? And I've taken one here and I've added gesso to it. And gesso is a white, black, or clear coating that allows you to adhere things to surfaces that might not be so easy to adhere things to. So I've just started to gesso the pages. You can see I've not finished, but this is going to make a really great board book. The only limitation with using a board book is that you can't make it too thick or your book is just not going to stay closed, but it's a great inexpensive option. Here's some other books that I bought on eBay in a lot. This one is just a stapled stitching, but this will make a beautiful, beautiful junk journal. And then finally, a hardcover book, also a kid's book, and this will make a great junk journal as well. So I hope I've given you some ideas. I can't wait to see what you use as your junk journal, and I hope you'll share with us in the comments or at affirmfaithco.com. Subscribe for more great videos and some projects as we dive in to the world of crafts.